being pushed deeper into the palace, and further from my enemy. My arm! What's happening? What has the Vizier done to me? I don't...
Everything had come full circle. The prince had resurrected his greatest enemy. Worse, he had accidentally delivered me into the man's hands, unleashing a nightmare plague across Babylon. As if this was not enough, the prince had nearly been transformed by the sands himself. Though he had avoided death, he had not escaped entirely untouched.
Wake up, Prince. Wake up. Wake up! The way behind you is gone, so you'll have to find another exit from these sewers. Be quick about it. Start moving.
What? Who's there?
Be careful. The planks are slick. Mind your balance. Good, good. Head down. Excellent work! That is what you need. The ability to destroy your enemies. Now use it.
What benefit is this? Even as I fight them, I grow weaker.
Kill them and their lives replenish yours. want it to be.
I do not. Why then is this happening to me?
You have been infected by the sands of time, as I am sure you have noticed. Maybe it's the dust, maybe it's all the time you spent amongst the sands, or amongst the Empress. Either way, you are resisting it. Mostly.
Mostly?
You did just transform into unique, so I think the word is quite appropriate. Think of it this way. You have been given a gift. You are stronger, faster.
Uglier.
Now.
That explains the transformation. But who are you?
Have you not realized? I am your untapped potential, your unrealized dreams. I am part of you.
You are inside me? Water seems to fight this corruption. Why did you hide this from me?
What? And ruin all the fun? Oh, they do not seem to like the light. Lead them into the light! Strike while they are blind!
I continue my story from here if you are comfortable?